You saw right, a single-use menstrual pad decomposes in more than 500 years. Menstruation is a natural and normal process happening to most women with ages between 12 and 55 years old. During this time, a woman uses approximately 5,160 pads. Let's see how menstruation looks like when using single-use pads available on the market. It can be expensive. It can be irritating. It is bad for the environment. In order to decrease the negative effects caused by this type of products, we created the iele-sanziene reusable pads. The fabrics, as well as the process of production, involves way less pollution than in the case of single-use menstrual pads. Our pads do not contain chemical substances or plastic, therefore they are breathable, non-irritant and comfortable. Once bought, our pads can be used for more than 5 years, meaning a lot less money on the long run. Iele-sanziene reusable pads are produced in a small workshop near Bucharest, where the employees are treated fairly. Through selling these pads, we support an NGO dedicated to young girls coming from disadvantaged backgrounds. We offer them menstrual education and access to menstrual products.